Okay, it's that time of year. It is pumpkin harvest time. Now this is my Kakai pumpkin vine. And I've already harvested one of these. So from this vine, I got 3. This was the one I've showed in previous videos where somebody gave me a seed and I just planted it, and lo and behold, I got 3 pumpkins. I don't know if that's great or not. I'm not an expert with Kakai. I grew it last year and about the same results. But I didn't save any of the seeds, which was funny. I mean, we used the seeds, and so this year, somebody gave me a seed and said, here, out of kind of a joke, I said, here. They felt sorry for me, go, here, take this. It was just kind of a joke. And I planted it, and look at this. So I'm going to get hundreds and hundreds of seeds just from that one seed, which is just amazing how nature works. So this one here is going to go inside, and we're going to harvest. I've already done one. And then this is going to stay out here in the sun. This vine here, this does really no good. So leaving it on the vine is absolutely ridiculous. We're getting some pretty good sun during the day, and it's not getting freezing at night. So I'm going to leave it out here. It'll ripen faster. Just like most vegetables, they'll ripen off the vine. So you're going to stay here and ripen. But if it does get down to freezing, I'm going to pull it in and take it inside. So let's go ahead and harvest some more seeds. Oh yeah, and I should mention how I can tell when the pumpkins are mature. With these Kakai, it turns mostly yellow-orange, and with a little, streaks of green, and even the green getting really dark, almost black. Now this one here, you'll see it's got, it's mostly green with little hints of yellow starting. So this one's got a little ways to go. I actually didn't think that this one was going to mature because it was really small in September, and then it just exploded. So this one here is ready to go. I've already done one. So this makes 3 that I've got so far. And yeah, if you hear my fish tank going and my dishwasher going, I apologize. But I didn't realize I had them on until I started the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and make cuts in it, just like a jack-o'-lantern. Just because I don't want to go across it or down it, because I'm afraid of damaging the seeds. And even though I'm going in pretty deep, I might be poking them instead of cutting them in half. Oh yeah, very nice. See, even then, see what I did? Even then I cut one in half. But I'm not too concerned with that, considering the amount of seeds each one of these has. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and dark green, and that's what I want. Doesn't look like there's any more in here. I'm going to reach in here and just... And one really strange thing about these pumpkins is that they're varying sizes. And so you never know. I mean, the larger ones you can get your hands down in easier. These here, smaller ones, you really, I mean, unless you've got small hands, but I've got these big sausages that... So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down across like this. And just go right down and try not to go into the center here. Just try to stay on the outside. Just like that. And if you've ever shopped in a health food store and you see these green seeds, you know how expensive they are. And this is exactly why I grow these pumpkins. It's just for these seeds. Because if I'm going to make a pie or something like that, I'm just going to grow some big pie pumpkins. I won't waste my time with the smaller ones like this because you just don't get enough flesh to be able to really do anything, in my opinion. Okay, well there it is. That's quite a substantial harvest from such a small pumpkin. So I'm going to put them in a sieve, rinse them underwater, and then lay them out to dry. Okay, so I've rinsed them all really good. There's still a little bit of flesh, but I'm not going to be like commercial growers and waste gallons and gallons of water trying to make them look perfect. Now normally I don't use paper towels to dry my seeds because they tend to stick to them. However, these are fairly large and I'm just giving them a quick pat to get rid of the bulk of the water. And then I will go ahead and put them on a seed rack to dry. But I just wanted to get rid of most of the water first. See, I want to show you that. That's why. Look at all those stuck there. But because these are so big, they just pull right off. If I was to do this with tomato seeds or pepper seeds or something like that, they would, I mean, I'd be here all day. I'd make a career out of just pulling the seeds off the paper towels. But because these are so large, I do it. So I'm just spreading them out on my drying rack here. So this is just one of the pumpkins, and I have one more to put in here, and I'm going to let these dry. I'll put them in the garage where it's warm, but not in the direct sun. So just where it's warm, it stays about 70 degrees. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. All right, we'll catch you guys later.